Philip from Clear Lake has a question about wallpaper.
Well, he's remodeling their master bathroom. And Philip writes, the previous owner applied a few layers of wallpaper, which has proven very difficult to remove without damaging the drywall. Long story short, the facing has pretty much ripped off all the walls, exposing the gypsum behind it. Now, I read, he says, about an oil-based primer that I can paint on there to the exposed gypsum and then just paint as normal after that. Philip wants to know, is that a fix or does the sheetrock need to be replaced?
If you've got gypsum exposed and your paper is gone, as far as I'm concerned, you need to replace it. I wish you'd have called us before. I would have said leave the wallpaper on, and then we can go ahead and deal with it a different way. But as far as that goes now, I don't know of any primer. Maybe you can go to a Benjamin Moore dealer. Maybe they got something special up their sleeve. I've never heard of anything, and it's just going to start flaking and dusting off. So I don't know if there's a real fix for that except new sheetrock.
Well, and let me say this about that. This happened to us. We had a nursery that Tracy hated the wallpaper, and it has to come off the wall. And Rudy said, I can just tape and float and over it.
Yeah.
And he said, no, I want it off. And so he did, and we wound up in this situation and spent untold amounts of money having him floated and texture it.
You can skim float it and do all kinds of stuff.
I wish we'd just taken the
No, you pigmented shellac over the wallpaper. Then you can float areas.
Right.
You can texture and you can paint, and it's just like having a second layer of paper on your wall on your sheetrock. It's fine.
Yeah, it's no big deal. Exactly right. That's the best way to go. So, Philip, we're going to make you a cautionary tale for others thinking of doing this. Don't do it. All right. But what you should do is send us more questions. We can help other people as well. Visit HomeShowRadio.com. Click on that Ask Tom button in the upper right-hand corner. We'll post your answer just like these videos. Subscribe to our channel, click the bell, and we'll ring yours when we post a new one.